So you're thinking about moving right here to McKinney, Texas, or maybe you want to be in Melissa, Texas. Well, right here, you're going to have the best of both worlds because you're going to be in McKinney, Texas, but Melissa ISD. One of the things that I really love about this neighborhood is because it has some affordable homes that are brand new in Melissa ISD, which is really hard to find. So you're gonna have homes starting at $340,000 and go up to the mid to high 400s depending on the floor plan. These are gonna start from the mid around 1,700 square foot range all the way up to just under 3,000 square feet. So if you're looking for a brand new home, affordable price point in the A-rated Melissa ISD, and it would be a great option for you. So this particular community is gonna be built by D.R. Horton. We're gonna be checking out two great model homes. The one right behind me is called the Tangerine floor plan, and it starts at 2,330 square feet. And the other one is gonna be the Ingleside floor plan, and that's gonna be a nice one-story option. So we're gonna be checking out these two great model homes, and these are just two of the options out here. One thing to note about this community is that the interior options are all gonna be the same. And that's just something that D.R. Horton does to keep the prices down and make sure you can get into a home very quickly. The tax rate out here in this community is gonna be 2.68 with an HOA of only $600 a year. So we are only 2.5 miles from Melissa High School. So an absolutely amazing location, and once again, at an affordable price point. So let's go ahead and check out a couple of great model homes here. So when you first walk into the home, you're gonna notice some 9-foot ceilings, as well as the primary bedroom and another bedroom downstairs. So you're gonna have 2 bedrooms downstairs, which is what everybody wants if they have guests or their family come over, as well as their own full bathroom. So you're gonna have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms downstairs, and then it's gonna open up to this large kitchen and living space with 20+ foot ceilings with the game room overlooking the living room. So a nice wide open space that makes this 2,330 square foot house feel so much larger. You're gonna have granite countertops, and then you're gonna have an eat-in kitchen right over here. So it separates the space nicely and just feels like you have a ton of room. As soon as you walk upstairs, you're gonna notice this large, wide open game room that overlooks the living area. So it feels like there's just tons of space up here to do all kinds of things and to have a place for your kids to make a mess. And then you're also gonna have 2 bedrooms up here as well as another bathroom. So 4 beds, 3 baths, tons of space in this home that's just under 2,400 square feet. If this is your first time on the channel, please do me a favor, subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current real estate market here in North Dallas, or like today, McKinney, Texas. My name is Preston Gale, your local real estate agent. I get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to North Dallas, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, please give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. So, hope you enjoyed the tour of the first property on our stop today. So one of the things I forgot to mention is that the 2 primary bedrooms on the downstairs level with their own bathroom our office spaces right now, D.R. Horton usually gets really busy, and so they put their offices in those bedrooms. So we didn't get to check those out today because they were definitely not the prettiest at this time. But just to reiterate, you're gonna have 2 primary bedrooms downstairs as well as 2 bedrooms upstairs. Now let's go check out that 1-story floor plan for those looking for a price point in the mid 300s. All right, so when you first walk into this 1-story floor plan, you're gonna notice there's 3 bedrooms right at the front of the house, as well as a full bathroom. So this is gonna be where the majority of the bedrooms will be, as well as your laundry space. Then you walk down this long hallway that is really wide, and you're gonna be into your kitchen area. This is gonna be another wide open, popular floor plan with, again, your granite countertops, your stainless steel appliances, and what everybody loves to have, that is gonna be a gas stove top, because a lot of these communities don't come with gas, so that's a huge plus in any community. Then you're gonna have your eat-in kitchen, once again, that's gonna overlook your living room space, and it is right next to your primary bedroom. One other thing I will note about these homes is you're going to have a outdoor area with a covered patio, which it comes standard, and which a lot of these homes in this price point don't come with a covered patio. So that's another big plus to these floor plans. Now here we are in the primary bedroom. This is gonna be the back corner of the house. You're gonna have 2 massive windows to bring in tons of natural light, and it's gonna be a nice sized bedroom. One of the things I wanted to talk about as well is gonna be the primary bedrooms in this community with D.R. Horton are gonna come with showers only. So you're gonna have big walk-in showers with a nice bench space, as well as 2 sinks. So plenty of room and a large master closet. So for such a small floor plan, gives a ton of space and feel to these locations. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tour in these 2 nice homes in an affordable price point in Melissa ISD. If you're looking for a home in this location or any of the surrounding areas, I would love to help you. This is actually really close to the community called Eastridge as well. So if you look up affordable new construction in McKinney, Texas, you will see my video on that, as well as top 3 new construction communities in McKinney, Texas. So like I said, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Please give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'd love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. Hope to see you around town.